Yeah, what's up, guys? This is your boy Chibuzo Agowa. You all can remember the last order I made on AliExpress, which I promised you guys that I will always come here and show you once it arrives. Early morning today, I actually received a call from the post office that yes, my order has arrived, and this is it, just like here. And in no distant time, we should unbox this and see what is inside. Actually, it's the worst order I've made on AliExpress because it took a long time. If you could remember, if you go back to the video, I actually uploaded that video on June the 5th, and today is July 12th. Yes, July 12th. Check the gap is quite large. I made the order on June 3rd and it was shipped on June the 5th, and it took time before it arrived. This is the worst I've done on AliExpress. Actually, whenever I go to the AliExpress app and try to read the seller, if there's a possibility of giving him or her a half rating, that's what I'll do once I get to the app. But before I do that, I should go we should see what is inside. It's actually a watch, an ultra watch. Yes, ultra. Is it ultra H or watch 8? We're going to see what is inside in no distant time. So like I said, this is the worst I've done on AliExpress. I wouldn't even try buying from that seller again. Once I unbox it, and if you find it useful, if you want to make a purchase, you can still go ahead, but actually use a different seller. And in case if you are visiting this channel for the first time, actually, like I said a few minutes ago, Chibuzago is my name. I'm Blogging Fintech is the name of this channel. If you want to be part of this channel, you can simply hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that I get notified whenever I put up similar videos just like this, and I drive you or take you through the world of technology. It's actually a do-it-yourself channel whereby I unleash things related to technology. So if you consider wants to be a part of the family, like I said, hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification. So before we do that, now let's sit down and unbox and see what is inside what I'm holding here. So I'm actually seated now. So like I said, we're going to open this and see what is inside. And before now, I've bought lots of smartwatches from AliExpress. Like this one I'm using actually. I bought it. This is the last smartwatch I bought from AliExpress, but I needed an upgrade. That's why I choose going for the Watch 8 Ultra. It's just like a replica of, like you see, this is a pack. I actually removed this from this, and this is a pack. This is what is a watch. Yes, like I said, is a Watch 8 Ultra. As you can see. So now it's still sealed. Let's open the nylon. Okay. Um yep. To show you that yes, it's sealed. I actually want to see exactly what I ordered. So okay, I just brought this out. Okay, these are the straps. These are the straps. These two are the straps, and this is the watch itself. So this is the watch. It's quite heavy. It's quite heavy, and it looks a little bit just like the original watch, the one made by Apple, which is the Apple Watch 8 Ultra. It's just like a replica, but this is, like I said, is the China version. And this is the watch itself. Is heavy. It was the price I bought it for. How many dollars did I say? I actually forgot, but if I go through the video again, I will actually remember. But it shouldn't be more than $10. Seems in the range of $10. $10 in Nigerian naira at the moment should be between 7,000 to 8,000 naira. So this watch is heavy, and I believe it's more like the original. These are the straps. This is the strap, and this is the wireless charging. Oh, they actually didn't bring a charger here. This is a wireless charging device which you can just place the watch on it and it will start to charge. Let's see what else is inside. Okay, the manual. I'm actually I believe this should be a nice watch. This should be a nice watch. Let me bring it. It's for you to see. This is the watch itself. It's similar to that of Apple. If you don't tell someone that is actually the fake or the China version, they will believe. And the strap itself is quite thick. It's quite okay. It's okay. If you need this watch, I'll be dropping the link to the description in this the description of this very video. I'm dropping link whereby you can actually purchase this from a good seller, not the one I actually bought from that time. But it seems the money has upgraded from the last time I checked. Maybe due to the naira to dollar exchange rate. Actually, the president have actually devalued the naira, and it's now tagged in seven. The official CBN rate is now 770. So maybe that's the reason why the money has pushed up. So this is just what you find inside. Like I said, the two straps and the watch itself, which is quite heavy. This is heavy, and the wireless charging device. So once I put it on, I'll start making use of it. Then I'll do a proper review of what the watch itself is all about. But like I said, it's value for money. It's heavy. Unlike this very one that is just more like a plastic all over. But this is a metal. This should be metal. Yeah, this is metal. This is metal. Once I charge it, I will have to use it for some minutes, then I'll tell you how it looks like. So with that, I believe we've come to the end of this video. And if you want to buy from AliExpress, like I said, I've bought lots of orders. I've made lots of orders from AliExpress. If you're conversant with this channel, if you're a subscriber to this channel, you discover that I've put up lots of videos whereby I made purchases on AliExpress. And this is just the last I did. My cameras, my phone, even whatsoever I use, everything I use is actually bought from AliExpress. My webcam, lots of my stand, my stand, but the one I use in my car, that's for my phone, all from AliExpress. So you can go ahead and start buying from AliExpress. So like I said, this just I just want to show you what is inside. This is the carton. If in case you want to make a mistake, it's just the Watch 8, the Watch 8 Ultra, as you see here. So with that, we've come to the end of this video. Chibuzago remains my name. And before you leave, like I said from the beginning, if you still have any question concerning buying or making orders from AliExpress, go to the comment section below. Ask me whatsoever you want to ask me related to AliExpress. I'm in Nigeria and I received this order right here in Nigeria. So don't be afraid of making purchases on AliExpress. You're still being afraid, or if you're afraid, go to my video playlist. You see lots of orders are made from AliExpress. And that's the reason why I actually did shoot this video for you to see, so that you wouldn't be scared that the orders wouldn't arrive. There's a pack where it's packed in. So with that, just hit the subscribe button and ask a question. Also, feel free to share this video if you feel like, so that people that want to make purchase on AliExpress can easily see this video. So subscribe and anticipate for my next video. Chibuzo Agua remains my name. I'm blogging for tech is the name of this channel. So bye bye for now.